Welcome, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. Let's talk about how do you get started with dōTERRA. Now, the best way to get started with dōTERRA is by getting your own wholesale account, which gives you 25% off for the entire year. Now, I know this can kind of sound intimidating at first, getting your own account with dōTERRA, but I'm telling you guys, these truly are no strings attached wholesale accounts. There are no minimum orders. You just order whenever you want to. You get 25% off the entire year. And in fact, with a wholesale account, you can't even sell dōTERRA. So you actually have to upgrade your account to do that. So these truly are just wholesale accounts that you can use whenever you want to get the best essential oils and wellness products at a discount. In fact, 85% of the people in dōTERRA just have wholesale accounts because they love the products and they want a discount. However, when you do have a wholesale account, you can subscribe into dōTERRA's wellness boxes called the Loyalty Rewards Program. What these are just customizable boxes that come every month that make it so you can actually get below wholesale on all your orders. Now, if you're interested in learning more about that, down in the description, there is a video that I walk you through exactly what this means. Now, these wholesale accounts are $35 to get you 25% off the entire year, or they come free with a kit. Now, a kit is my very best way to help people get started because instead of spending that $35 towards a wholesale account, you actually get to spend that $35 towards oils. Now, these kits are so well thought out. They're gonna give you the oils that you need as a great base to get started on top of wellness products. Down in the description below, I'm gonna leave a link for you guys that you can look at the different kits so you can decide which one works best for you. I can't wait to help you guys on this journey, welcome you to our team, welcome you to our Facebook groups, and really start educating you about how empowering these essential oils are in your own home. Thanks for watching, you guys. Doesn't matter how many times I do these videos, I get really awkward in front of a camera. I get really nervous.